is a test. Repeat, this is a test tornado warning. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. This test warning is part of the annual Indiana tornado drill. People can take this time to initiate their preparedness plans. This is a test to help you prepare for severe weather. Think about where you would go and what you would do in the event of an actual tornado. Repeating, this has been a test tornado warning for the 2017 Indiana tornado drill. We now resume our normal programming.